Today is May 31st, also known as International Flight Attendant Day. Today we honor all those flight attendants from around the world who wake up at 3 in the morning to work 14-hour shifts to serve you drinks and snacks, to show you the safety demo, all while looking cute. To celebrate this day and my first year of being a flight attendant, I thought I'd buy myself a little Flygirl Box. There's two versions. There is this, which is called the deluxe box, and they also have a mini box. The only difference being the mini has 2 less items than the deluxe, which has 5 items. This one costs $36.79, I think, and the mini costs $29.99. And this is my first unboxing. So here we have the box, super cute. It says prepare for takeoff, Flygirl Box. On the side we have crew. Here's the back of the suitcase. Really cute. They have a Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram if you're interested in following. And let's open it up. Cute. So the first thing you see is this, which we saw on the front of the box. Prepare for takeoff. May box, so this is for the month of May. What's inside your deluxe box? Hand and room sanitizing spray. Well, okay, let's not read. Let's just open it. Oh! We have a PB&J bar, 5 grams of protein, non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free. Next we have a Mira's natural sanitizing spray. Oh, super important nowadays. Gotta bring sanitizing spray with you everywhere. Made in Woodstock. Shake well before use. Should I try it? I should try it. What does it smell like? Oh, it's made of alcohol, orange, clove, cinnamon, rosemary, lemon, and lavender, essential oils, tea tree oil, and vitamin E. Ooh. It smells like a spa. I like that. That's nice. Next we have hand, foot, and balm with tingling intensity, refreshing mint with tea tree, soften thick dry skin, highest emollient formulation, and pure vegan. Lots of vegan stuff in here. Next we have a no sweat ice pack. I don't know what that is. For keeping lunches cool. Cool. Usually, I mean should, but usually I don't pack my lunches. But this will encourage me to. I don't. Oh, I guess you just put this in the freezer and then on top of your, yup, that's what you do. You freeze this and then you put it in your lunch box. And how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for the 5th item, we have something called Bennkai. It looks like a lunchbox. Oh, perfect! Now I have a lunchbox. So now I have to make lunch. But let me make sure it's a lunchbox first. So there's a little pouch here. And then, oh, my lunches are bigger than this. Oh. Oh! It's a book bag. Oh, cool. Oh, super cute. It's like it's a foldable book bag. So now I can put all my stuff in it. And that's all, folks. So that was the May box. I really like all the items. I could definitely see myself using all of them. And if you would like to get your own Flygirl box, check my referral link below. I think that gives you $5 off a box. I'll let you know down in the description. And thank you for watching.